y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another Tierra J wig slay, okay, featuring UNiceSeP. Y'all make sure to click those links down below in that description box. Thank you so much, UNiceSeP, for sponsoring today's video. They sent over this beautiful burgundy 99J wig, y'all, super cute. This is a straight pre-plucked wig. Y'all make sure to check out the description box to find out more info on this wig, and the direct link to this wig will be down below as well. I am all for a good 99J, and this wig definitely delivers. Like, I just love 99J hair. I love pre-color hair because I am one who ain't about to be doing the most with wigs. Like, I just want a wig that comes to me ready to go. So if you want to see how I got this super cute half up half down style, how I got my lace popping, girl, like popping, go ahead and stay tuned. So here is the wig we're about to slay. It's the, you know, regular construction, and I like to start by flipping it inside out, and I go in with my Eben tinted lace spray and go ahead, and this is how I bleach my knots. Okay, y'all know I do slay the easy way, so you're gonna get all the easy way outs, okay, with the wigs. And the spray is definitely the best way to go to get it to match your skin. And then I seal that with hairspray, whether that be freeze spray. I need to get some more of that because honestly that works better. Or I'll just use a regular hairspray. You can also use spritz. Seal it, blow dry it on cool, and bam. So bam, you see, your knots are quote unquote bleached without having to do the most. Just a quick spray down and that's it. So now you want to go in and like flatten out your wig. So whether you're doing the side part, middle part, straight back, yeah, you just blow dry it to make it nice and flat. This eliminates the need for a pressing comb, and honestly I found that this works so much better just to take you a small tooth comb, your blow dryer with the concentrator nozzle, and boom, look how flat it gets. Like, so fast, so quick. You don't need a pressing comb, and it honestly works so much better to me. So the hairline on this wig is pre-plucked, but I just wanted, you know, my own little touch on it because it wasn't as plucked as good as it could have been. So I'm just going in, like taking out that first little section of kind of like the baby hairs and plucking behind that, bam. And then what you want to do is just keep making lines going back and continue plucking. Simple as that. And then you just can pluck at random, just, you know, kind of carve out and mimic your hairline and just get that like gradient effect. And yeah, no special way I do it. I just keep going back and keep plucking until it looks like this. It look like I want it to look. Plucked a freaking hole in this lace. So we're gonna be doing a style, honey, that's gonna cover that right on up. But girl, she is plucked. She is plucked a little too much, okay? Now to style it, y'all know I like to style my wigs before I put them on my head. It just makes everything so much easier. So with this half up half down style that we gonna do, I'm gonna do like a big curly look. So I'm taking my curling wand using the smallest, almost the smallest barrel to get like a really tight curl so it can be nice and bouncy and full and voluminous. So yes, girl, get these curls for the girls popping. So now is the fun part to get this wig on and cute. I'm just slicking my hair down using this Got To Be Glue gel. And yeah, I just like to leave out my little, what they call sideburns. I like to leave those out just because it's more comfortable for me, so I don't have that lace like sitting directly. Y'all know with the ear tabs, I don't be fooling with the ear tabs. But yeah, just put that cap on. I don't do the ball cap, nothing. I just put it on regular. And I adjust my bands so it can be as tight as possible. I got a little bean head, so I do have to adjust them pretty tight. And it fit pretty snug, nice and good. I still had a little bit of room, but it did fit really snug. So I'm using that Got To Be gel just to adhese it down, blow drying it. I'm gonna cut like the slits in it. You could do this before too, it makes it a little easier, but you know, cut slits in your wig so you can work with the middle section and then the sides separately. You can do this when you gelling it down or when you gluing it down. It works wonders. It helps you to, you know, really lay it right. It don't, you know, helps to not make a mess. And then I just blow dry that in, smush it in with the comb, my fingers, and just, you know, get it nice and melted. Like, look at that. The melt, girl, the melt. And then I'm just cutting my lace like in a rigid type of motion that helps for you not to have like a straight line. And like, do you see that lace is melting, honey? No bleach knots, like just a spray. I love that even spray so much because girl, it's giving scalp. It is. And then you want to go ahead and work with both of the sides and just, you know, blow dry it down, melt each side individually. And I'm just plucking more hairs out because my hairline, it don't be going the way the wigs be going. So you can always, you know, customize your wig to fit you. Even when it's on your head, you can pluck it some more. And yes, girl, I'm not worried about the flaps on this wig. Normally I'll like cut them out, but actually this wig had like that wire right there to where you couldn't cut through it. So I just left it alone. It ain't gonna be showing, so it's all good. Now moving on to the baby hairs, I'm just cutting them down with a eyebrow razor using my Got To Be gel. And I like to use the Got To Be gel with baby hairs because it honestly helps the wig to stick even more. And them baby hairs, girl, they ain't going nowhere, okay? Boom, other side. Now let's go ahead and get started on this half up, half down. I'm gonna pull out these two little alien pieces. That's what I call them. I just think this hairstyle look like an alien, like a cute alien, but it look a little alienish. So I'm pulling out my little alien pieces. I'm using my Amber J wax sticks. I love her products. So I'm slapping that on just to get my ponytail popping and smooth. Using rubber bands to put that on, you know. And then I'm using my shaper spray to hold everything in place. Boom, boom, bam. Bam. And then to hide them rubber bands, I just take a section of hair from the back, like right, you know, at the back of the ponytail, spray it and begin to wrap it around. You want to keep spraying it, and this is what makes it stick. So you don't need bobby pins, you don't need extra rubber bands or anything sticking out. You can just keep wrapping and spraying, and that thing is gonna stick, okay? And you just keep wrapping until you, and tuck it under. Keep putting it underneath that wrap, and it's gonna stay, boo, just like that. And then I'm just taking my little alien pieces and curling them. Hairstyle is complete, okay? And I'm just combing through it to like give it some more volume because I pictured this being like really big and curly. So it's definitely giving or whatever. Lace is laid. Alien things is popping. Like so cute. I love this look. Oh, gotta make sure ain't nothing in your teeth. Bam. And yes, girl, we ready to take on the world. So here is the look. Super cute. I am in love with this. Something different. I always do like basic middle part. You know, something sleek or whatever. Something sleek and modest, but you know, you gotta do it up. every once in a while. So I am loving this look. It's super cute, super fun, and just super like, I don't even know the word for it, but it's just super something. This hair quality is absolutely amazing all the way to the ends. Love it. I love this length on me. So y'all make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm about to be taking some pictures. Hold on. Cute. Oh wait. Light is it? Ooh, cute. Slight confession, 99J is like low-key my favorite color. So this, I feel in my zone. Every time I get a little bit of red, I just be like, I be in my zone for real. This wig is definitely it. I love it. Once again, make sure to click those links down below to see all of UNice hair information, all the details on this wig down below. Girl, go get you one, okay? We jumping back into like the fall time coming up, so wigs is about to be popping, okay? Because I really wasn't doing a lot of wigs this summer just because it's too hot. Ain't nobody got time for the ladies, but I'm so excited for the fall, and this is definitely like, you know, fall vibes. So I'm so excited for the fall time coming around, cooling down. You can put your wigs back on, okay? Make sure to like it up if you like this video. Comment down below and subscribe if you ain't subscribed, boo. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.